How to align a text in center horizontally and vertically. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, to do so, you will have to insert a table of 1 by 1 size. After that, drag the bottom of the table to the end of the page. And then write a text, make it in the alignment center align like this, or you can just press Ctrl plus C. After that, go to format, go to table properties. Then you will see an option of alignment in this section. Simply go to that and make the alignment to middle, and your text will be shifted to the middle and will be center aligned. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.